Episode number 8. Keep going here today. All right. So we looked at NFT Tickets and TravelX. This was really an exciting session where we brought in the company TravelX, and we looked at what is really the synergistic value that comes from NFTs and how do we get greater value and scale by implementing them in our business. And my guest was Juan Pablo Lafosse of the company called TravelX. Now, Gabe, we really, this was really pretty an exciting session. And at the very beginning, Juan Pablo wanted me to focus on what was the core reason for doing this, not the one which was the flashy reason, which I'll come to in a minute. But he said there's really tough business problems that exist out there today. Like if you're a traveler, you know that exchanging of airline tickets is really challenging. So if you change flights or you cancel, we always have difficulty in managing of tickets. And what they did was they solved that problem by applying an NFT to the reservation system, and they created the very first NFT airline ticket is what they did.